For top-notch vinyl window installation in Palmetto Bay, our team of window installation experts is here to provide you with the best service for vinyl windows Palmetto Bay homeowners trust. We specialize in energy-efficient windows Palmetto Bay, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Our custom window solutions Palmetto Bay are designed to meet your specific needs, offering a variety of window-style options Palmetto Bay to enhance your home's aesthetic. Upgrade your home with our window frame replacement Palmetto Bay services, ideal for improving performance in vinyl windows Palmetto Bay properties. Our double-pane windows Palmetto Bay are a popular choice for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. We also offer window glass installation Palmetto Bay and window seal installation Palmetto Bay to maintain your window's integrity and performance. Our window insulation services Palmetto Bay are designed to keep your home cozy and energy efficient, especially when paired with vinyl windows Palmetto Bay. With our window weatherproofing Palmetto Bay, you can protect your home from the elements. We also provide window screen installation Palmetto Bay to keep pests out while allowing fresh air in. For those concerned about noise, our window noise reduction Palmetto Bay solutions are ideal. Enhance your home's security with our window security features Palmetto Bay designed for vinyl windows Palmetto Bay installations. Our window UV protection Palmetto Bay and window tinting services Palmetto Bay help protect your interiors from harmful sun rays. We also offer window condensation solutions Palmetto Bay to prevent moisture buildup. Our window hardware replacement Palmetto Bay ensures your windows function smoothly. For a seamless experience, our window design consultation Palmetto Bay and window measurement services Palmetto Bay ensure a perfect fit for vinyl windows Palmetto Bay upgrades. We provide window cost estimation Palmetto Bay to help you plan your budget effectively. Our window installation warranty Palmetto Bay gives you peace of mind, knowing your investment is protected. Take advantage of our window replacement financing Palmetto Bay options to make vinyl windows Palmetto Bay home upgrades more affordable. Our window maintenance services Palmetto Bay keep your windows in top condition, extending their lifespan. Trust our vinyl window replacement Palmetto Bay services for a durable and stylish solution to your window needs. Vinyl window installation in Palmetto Bay is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions, especially with vinyl windows Palmetto Bay designed for long-term performance. With a focus on reducing energy costs, these windows provide excellent insulation and are perfect for the warm climate of Palmetto Bay. Our window installation experts ensure a seamless process, offering custom window solutions tailored to your home's needs. Energy-efficient windows in Palmetto Bay help maintain indoor comfort year-round, and vinyl windows Palmetto Bay play a major role in reducing heat transfer. By choosing double-pane windows, you can significantly lower energy bills. Our window installation experts in Palmetto Bay specialize in providing the best energy-efficient solutions for your home. Window frame replacement in Palmetto Bay is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of vinyl windows Palmetto Bay homes. Our team offers comprehensive window frame replacement services, ensuring your windows are secure and aesthetically pleasing. With a variety of window style options available, you can enhance your home's curb appeal. Double-pane windows in Palmetto Bay offer superior insulation and noise reduction, making vinyl windows Palmetto Bay an excellent choice for comfort. These windows are perfect for homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency. Our window installation experts in Palmetto Bay provide professional installation services to ensure optimal performance. Window glass installation in Palmetto Bay is crucial for maintaining the clarity and functionality of vinyl windows Palmetto Bay. Our skilled technicians offer prompt and reliable window glass installation services, ensuring your windows are in top condition. Whether it's a small crack or a shattered pane, we've got you covered. Custom window solutions in Palmetto Bay allow homeowners to personalize their spaces with vinyl windows Palmetto Bay designs. From unique shapes to specialized glass options, our team provides tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Enhance your home's aesthetic with our custom window solutions. Window seal installation in Palmetto Bay is vital for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency in vinyl windows Palmetto Bay homes. Our experts provide thorough window seal installation services, ensuring your windows are airtight and energy efficient. Protect your home from the elements with our professional services. Home window upgrades in Palmetto Bay can significantly enhance your home's value and comfort, especially when choosing vinyl windows Palmetto Bay. Our team offers a range of window upgrade options, including energy-efficient windows and custom designs. Transform your home with our expert window upgrade services. Window insulation services in Palmetto Bay are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment with vinyl windows Palmetto Bay. Our insulation services help reduce energy costs and improve your home's overall efficiency. Trust our experts to provide top-notch window insulation services. Window style options in Palmetto Bay are diverse, allowing homeowners to select designs that complement vinyl windows Palmetto Bay installations. From traditional to modern styles, our window installation experts offer a wide range of options to suit your taste. Enhance your home's appearance with our stylish window solutions. Window maintenance services in Palmetto Bay are crucial for prolonging the life of vinyl windows Palmetto Bay. Our comprehensive maintenance services include cleaning, inspections, and adjustments to keep your windows in optimal condition. Rely on our experts for all your window maintenance needs.